In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the formula column in Monday.com. We'll start from a fresh board so you can see the complete flow from setup to a working formula. Begin on the Monday.com homepage, head into your workspaces and choose the workspace where you want this board to live. This keeps everything organized from day one and makes permissions easier to manage down the line. Next, click the plus sign to create something new and choose board. Give your board a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. Then pick the right privacy level for your situation, public within your account, private to a specific group, or fully private to you and selected collaborators. You'll also see an option to select what you're managing in this board. Choose the category that best fits your use case. It helps tailor the board's structure and suggestions so you don't have to start from scratch. When you're ready, click Create Board. Once your board opens, let's add the formula column. At the top of the columns, click the plus sign to add a new column and select Formula. This column calculates values based on other columns, making it perfect for totals, time differences, or conditional labels. After adding it, open the formula column settings so you can start building your expression. If you want help writing a formula, click the AI assistant. In the prompt area, describe what you want in plain language. For example, adding 2 number columns, checking a status, or formatting a date. The assistant will suggest a formula you can refine. Think of it as a starting point that you can tweak to match your exact column names and logic. To learn the building blocks, click Resources. Open functions and constants to explore what's available. Math functions, text functions, date and time helpers, logical operators, and constants. Each entry includes usage notes and examples, which makes it easier to adapt to your board. Then open columns and labels to see exactly how to reference your existing columns. Using the correct column names and types is essential because the formula column pulls data directly from them. When your expression is ready, click Set Formula. The column will instantly calculate for every item. If you see errors, double-check your references and data types. Numbers, dates, and text behave differently, and mismatches can cause issues. You can always reopen the settings to adjust the formula until the results look right. That's it. You've created a board, added a formula column, used the AI assistant and resource guides to craft your expression, and set it live. With this foundation, you can confidently build calculations that bring your Monday